This is Titan. Oh, what a big, handsome guy you are, Titan. Yes, you are.
He's about 2 years of age.
And he's a what, did you say?
He's a Rottweiler Lab mix.
Yeah.
About 2 years of age. He's a good boy.
Was he an owner surrender?
No, he was picked up on animal control.
Running loose.
He's neutered.
Oh, he's neutered. Oh, yeah, you're happy to be here, aren't you, big guy? Oh, yeah. Yes, this is a big, strong guy. He'd be a lap dog, though. They're always the gentle giant. Yes, aren't you special? Yes, you're beautiful. Yes, you are. Just wonder if you have a little bit of bull mastiff in you. Look at me. No. There we are.
Tight.
Tight.